Things are happening. We are flattening out the land to put the RV back here so that we can start remodeling. It's almost done. He's been flattening the land all day and he is probably so tired, so dirty and tired, but we're almost there, right?
Almost.
And then we can move the fifth wheel to its spot and start demo. While he's taking a quick break, let me just turn the camera around and show you guys our little spot where we're gonna put the RV. Here is where we plan to put the RV, in the back of the property here. Got some neighbor cows over there. I'm excited. It's a really good spot. This looks out over into a big hayfield. Really pretty. I mean, there's worse looking neighbors, right? So now what are you working on?
Now we're tying into the septic system. So I've just dug up this pipe. I'm adding this little block so that if it ever happens to get driven over, the block will take the weight and it won't break the pipe.
He works on that. Avery and I have something else to go check on. What do you think, Avery? Checking on the chickens?
All right, so the RV pad is all done. All the hookups are in the ground. Now it's time to put all the slide outs in and get it moved over.
Avery and I are ready to direct traffic, i.e. help Mike get this into place. Fun fact, I am not good at this. I end up being like, I don't know, this way, that way. He ends up getting out like 500 times and doing it himself, so. But I need to get better, so I'm going to try and help. Here we go. It's going good, guys. Better than I thought. We got it?
Got it.
Oh yeah! Fifth wheel's in place, and now it's nap time for babies. Right? Today's the day. The furniture is getting out of here. We're gonna start demo soon. Can't wait. Gotta get all this furniture out, and then we can start ripping stuff up. So take one last look. Last time it'll look like this. Then it's gonna be a wreck, but then it'll look so much better. Let's do it! Day one of demo is done. All of the bulky couches are out. The upper cabinets are out in the back. we just have these window valances left, and that's it. It's already looking so much better in here. It's a huge mess, demo mess. But next up is gonna be this area. So we are gonna take out the whole kitchen, all the entertainment center stuff, get everything gutted, and start making a game plan.